Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This just arrived this morning, 6 a.m. while I was still sleeping. A little pallet that needs to be unboxed. And I am calling this a QuickJack's alternative, or a QuickJack's wannabe. So a lot cheaper than QuickJack's, but the same type of deal. So we're gonna get this all unboxed and try it out with the Mustang. It needs an oil change, so stick with us. Well, let's see how difficult this is to get it unboxed. Well, there's a few pieces to it. Hydraulic, power unit, and parts. I wonder how much that weighs. It's pretty hefty. Pretty hefty. I'm guessing these aren't going to be light. Oh yeah. Those weigh a little bit. They're a little heavy. Not done unboxing yet. More boxes inside of boxes, guys. So many boxes. There's the lift blocks. 4 of those. Big pump. So on Walmart's website, that's where we got this. It was called the KFFKFF lift, but this actually says Vevor. So whatever KFFF stands for, they're actually selling the Vevor model. Saddle. This, I believe, is to lift taller vehicles. So your standard block versus that. So most of my vehicles will be using the standard blocks, if not a lower profile one. I actually ordered up some low profiles QuickJacks. They're actually QuickJack blocks that have a pinch weld spot, so it can go on the pinch welds of the Mustang. So there's one, guys. They're definitely heavy. But these are rated at 5,000 pounds, so it's the smaller one. So most of my cars are under 5,000 pounds. I think the Model S is even at 4,800 pounds or so. We'll get these moved into the garage and start assembling all this. Alright guys, we've got it all unboxed and in the garage. A few big pieces, the jacks themselves, the hoses, and the actual hydraulic pump. So we're going to read the directions, get it all put together, and I guess we're going to have to get some hydraulic fluid. Alright guys, we got everything hooked up. We got it full of hydraulic oil. I just picked up heavy duty hydraulic oil from Wally Mart. Just that stuff right there. And let's go up and down on this thing and see what happens. Let's see. I get some fluid in those lines, I suppose, before it starts doing something. Alright guys, I think we've got it all figured out here. So this is in the low position. We'll go up on it. You can watch those bars go, go, go until it gets to the first stopping point. You'll see them drop down. Right there. So now it is locked in place at that setting. You can go down with it until it hits the stops. So now, if you want to lower it all the way down, you'll have to go back up a little bit. Just enough so this goes free, and then flip that back like that. And now we can go all the way down. This will go down a lot faster when there's a car on it. It's pretty slow without any weight on it right now. Needs a little assistance without having that weight on there. Okay, we're going to slide this one under first. See if we can't get it into position. There's one of my pinch welds right there. So that one should be okay. Let's see what we got for the front one. Okay, guys, here's my QuickJack's pinch weld blocks. I think those will work. Alright guys, so the worst part about this, especially with these pinch welds, there's only certain exact spots where I can get those rubber adapters to go in because of the plastic and all the stuff underneath. So it's going to be really difficult to get them lined up on all four sides. So we'll see if we can get this side started. Okay guys, we got all the pinch welds lined up with the blocks, and I think we're ready to raise, so wish me luck. This is scary, guys. There's a lot of car going up in the air for a $1,000 lift. I'm gonna go check the other side, make sure we're good. Alright guys, check the other side. We look stable so far. Keep going up to the first click. Alright, so there, that is locked in right there, guys, at the first setting. But that's not good enough. We need to go higher. Let's go to the second click. Locked in, guys. Alright guys, we're at level 2. We might as well go all the way, right? Yikes! I gotta watch the back of the garage when it keeps going backwards though. Make sure it's not gonna hit the garage back there. Let's check the garage. Yeah, it's gonna be tight. I don't think we should open the garage door while we have it up that high. Ooh, that's interesting. So that's as high as it goes, and these locking guys didn't go all the way back there. that's an issue or what. Yeah, it's not going any higher. Going down. All right, guys, so we did end up getting it to the 3rd notch. Check it out. So what it was, we were low on fluid. We didn't have quite enough hydraulic oil. So all the way up, and I measured that, and it's to the bottom of this, it's about 22 inches. It claims 23 inches is the lift height. So it's pretty close to that claimed height. But that's going to be very, very nice for getting under there to do my oil change, guys. Alright guys, that's going to about do it for this video on my QuickJack's alternative. We got these from Walmart.com, as we found out. Not VFF like on the listing. It's actually a Vevor brand, V-E-V-O-R. They were $1,000 plus $45 freight, so that can save you like $600 on the QuickJacks compared to their actual brand name ones. So if you guys have any questions for me, leave them down in the comments, but I'll have a link to that Walmart site for you. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a good one.